All right, today I want to talk about how to sign SMMA clients without testimonials or social proof and how you can turn that wagon around and start closing deals without feeling like you have to be an authority already. Number one is going to be personal branding, okay? You need a personal brand. Posting daily reels. Plus, plus TikTok, plus YouTube Shorts on SMMA tips. Number two is get in some giveaways on IG, TikTok, and get a following. Well, you don't really need to do it on TikTok. Okay, you can do and get a following that way. Okay. Number three, okay, it's going to be Instagram Lives once audience is acquired. Okay, you never know who's following you on Instagram. Also, tapping into friends and friends who have parents who are business owners. Okay, use your web of friendships and connects. One thing I would say about this is ask, you shall receive. Okay, it's massively important. Next thing is going to be buying some press. Okay, there's a lot of press packages out there. I would say you're going to want to budget between $1,000 to $1,500, and you can get a ton of press. Buying some press will give you authority right off the rip, to the point where you don't really need a crazy amount of testimonials or case studies. Now, to get case studies and testimonials, if you don't have them already, partner with a white label. Okay, and that could be agency elevation. That could be agency box. These companies will let you use their social proof and case studies for you to market with. Number 7 is going to be I know I talk about IG and stuff, but really double downing on YouTube Shorts and TikToks is going to be massive for you because it's just free traffic, right? So 7 is going to be like my Loom video strategy, where you send Loom videos, send Loom videos, cold Loom videos, going over websites, landing pages from ads you see, and more, and just cold DM them. And I actually have a video that goes over the cold message template that I use, so go check that video out. Number 8 is going to be, so other than partnering with the white label, number 8 is going to be, so right now we have your personal brand kicking. You're posting daily reels and TikToks. Okay, you're getting in some giveaways on IG that are not crazy expensive to get some type of following. At least get over 10,000 followers. Getting over 10K followers. Okay, don't need to go have 100,000 followers. Instagram Lives, once your audience is acquired. Okay, tapping into friends and friends who have parents who are business owners, using your web of friendships and connects. Ask and you shall receive. That's huge. Buying some press. Yes, you have to invest in yourself. Who would have thought? Partner with a white label. They'll give you testimonials and social proof that you can use. And then your Loom video strategy, that's going to be massive for you. Okay. Now, number 8, and the last one is going to be, once you have a white label partnership, then you have testimonials. Testimonials to now structure landing page and sales process to run predictable traffic to. Now you can start obviously tapping into paid traffic. Okay. More clients. Now, when you get to this number 8 point, now you're in the stages of hitting that 10K a month mark. Once you're able to tap into paid traffic, hitting 10K a month is really not that hard. Okay. Another thing here that I didn't mention is number 4 could be joining your local small business groups, okay, and being the marketer in the group that can obviously network and help them. Okay, I did this. I joined the SMB. Fifth one would be joining, small business Facebook groups and providing Loom videos of value on, marketing tips and teasing those case studies that you got from the white label. Okay. And this right here is your ticket to signing on clients without testimonials. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, here are the 10 things. And yeah, you guys are awesome. I appreciate all the support recently, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace out.